As y'all seen in the last episode, Jerry's been working on the Green Lizard Camaro. He's been wet sanding it, the process of after paint, and he's been switched over to that black Chevrolet 3100 truck, which we didn't paint, but customer wants it cleaned up and everything. So we'll go back here and check on what Jerry's doing, see if he's working or sleeping. Well, internet wants to know if you were working or sleeping.
Because of what time of the day it is. I'm working.
You polishing this thing up?
Yeah.
Best you can.
Yeah, just the front half right now. I'm working my way back through the engine compartment, wipe it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Just make it shine a little bit, clean it up.
Yeah, you see some surface scratches and stuff in there.
Yeah, there's tons of that.
Which side you been working on? This one over here?
All of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little truck's coming together all right. Do you know if they got it running okay?
Yeah, I think so. I think they I think it's running pretty well actually.
Good. I know they had an
issue. I think.
heartburn with that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they got it pretty good.
Is this stripe a pinstripe? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think they want red. Should we take that off?
No, I think it's paint. Well, I don't know if that's, I just put it right over top of it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not straight is the problem though.
Right.
I don't know if it's just on there or not. I'm not taking it off. It feels like it.
It feels, yeah.
If you do that red, you're gonna end up doing this red right here.
Well.
See that gold right there? I mean, somebody's gonna go.
Oh yeah, we talked about that in the last episode. I've seen some trucks with red in it. That looks really nice.
Yeah.
But it's a pain in the butt to get the grill out.
For sure.
Pretty much have to take the whole front end off, don't you?
Yep.
So.
That's a task for sure. Definitely old school for sure. 1950, right?
1950. Yep. We did paint the rear tailgate, and we painted
One of the running boards.
back here as well before we put the bed back on. One of the running boards, you said?
I think so, yeah. One of the running boards. I'm not sure which one or what.
Are you going to have to go back and fix that one?
I'm gonna make this one match that one.
Yeah.
Is my idea.
That corner?
Yeah. Kind of get rid of that.
But all this fits good and flush up in
Really?
there?
Yeah. I need to do a little more sanding on that one, but it's just trying to get it fine-tuned.
Look, Travis, he's trying to get in on everybody's videos. He's been on a couple of shop walks, and he's been kind of the lead star. Now he's like, listen, you ain't getting paid for this video.
Oh, hell, I didn't get paid for the last one. Or the check ain't came in yet.
Huh.
We'll go with that.
What was that? Let me see that.
Nope.
Let me see that.
You're not allowed to have them.
You don't need those
You
anymore.
don't need those.
Give me
Need
that.
those.
Bad for you.
Give me
They
them.
are. They're very bad for you. You can't drink them.
Hey.
Nope.
You don't need them.
Need them. Don't touch me. Hey, you don't get. Hey, hot dog.
Oh, oh, oh.
His little spandex shirt about didn't fit him
Yeah,
yesterday.
no, it didn't. Done swolled up. Might have to move up to the youth size now. I'm out of the toddler department.
Hey, I got a question for you. You still getting hand-me-downs from Taterhead?
No comment.
He's gonna start dropping that baby gap with Mike.
Baby, yeah.
No, I graduated after baby cat.
We gotta check out this dash right here. I don't know if we've seen this before, but we got us the console, dash, all 3D printed. Rusty made all that stuff coming together. So that's Taterhead right there, right?
You got to zoom in. That's
Yeah,
Taterhead.
That's Taterhead. And that's Travis, yeah. Who's higher? Y'all
Well-
vote. Y'all vote. Who's higher? I think Taterhead's got him.
Nah,
Yeah, Taterhead's got him.
no,
Yeah.
not in that. Nah.
Yeah, that's just a
It's
different
the
angle.
angle of the camera.
That's because the guys stoop way down low on the ground. It makes it look like you're
Well,
higher.
that's possible.
Yeah. Next
no.
year, Taterhead, when he gets that 125, he's gonna start whooping you.
That's what he said.
Good.
Well, you
I
got
mean-
some deep fried Oreos?
That looks pretty similar to the ones we bought.
That looks like something you get at the
So-
fair.
You
at
bringing
the-
them to the shop?
No, there wasn't none left.
Give me the keys to your house. I'm going up there to get me some.
There ain't none left.
Oh.
We ate all the ones she fried. Because
Oh.
she only did a couple because she didn't know how they were going to turn out.
Oh.
But
Get her an air fryer. Not an air fryer,
The
but
actual
deep
fryer.
And then she
Oh.
she's like, oh, I can do this. This is easy. I said, you're going to have to set you up a little booth at the races
she's
now.
gonna be
Uh-oh.
I'm working on my Nashville career. Yeah, I'm still doing that.
No, I tried out for American Idol one time.
He's still on that career.
Underrated. I mean, that's way down here for me.
You did American Idol one time?
One time in 2007.
Where was it? Charleston?
Charleston.
Did you get up on stage?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I didn't get in front of the big celebrities, but I got in front of the producers.
Yeah. What'd you sing?
Mary had a little lamb.
That was one of them. I can't remember. That was back in 2007.
Huh.
Back in the day.
So next week, who wants to hear him sing next week? Okay. All right. Hey, close this thing out, Travis.
Whoa. All right. I'll see you next week. Only if you watch us. Well, you'll see us next week. We won't see y'all next week. Right? Yeah. All right. Good. Come back for more.
Like,
Like,
share,
share me to the world.
subscribe,
Subscribe to see me more. Hit the
and
ding dong bell to get notifications when I'm on TV or YouTube. See you next week. Bye.